Welcome to part 2 video of center table styling in just 5 minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to organize books on center table by styling them with other things. Let's get started.
Hey gardening lovers, I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening.
In the first style, I'm keeping a potted plant, my kids' toys and books, which are always lying here and there in the living room, either on sofa or on floor. So just keep few of the toys and books together on table and add some greenery with some LED lights or candles, and they look amazing. So whenever they need, they can take it, play and keep it back. For the second style, I am arranging books with a live indoor plant, a conch and few yellow LED lights to give a cozy look. I like rearranging my center table every other month in different styles, and I will try to come up with many such videos in future. See you in another interesting video.